I wanted to talk about the idea of blogging. I don't know why that's always disturbed me because I never thought that I had a blog. On this channel, anyway, I have always decided that this was just a motorcycle YouTube channel. So why do I want to call it a blog? Oh, I gotta go to Lowe's and pick up some supplies because I'm always repairing something or building something. I got so many things I want to build in so little time. But I wanted to talk about the idea of blogging. I don't know why that's always disturbed me because I never thought that I had a blog. On this channel, anyway, I have always decided that this was just a motorcycle YouTube channel. So why do I want to call it a blog? Because in the beginning, I think probably, let's see, this channel started in 2009, which was basically I think I split this off from another channel because I couldn't remember the password or something. I can't remember. But I got two channels that were started right around the same time. I think the other one was started like 2007. Anyway, this channel was always just a, here's me riding my motorcycle. Here's where I went the other day. That's kind of where it started, is, you know, group rides, small, you know, 2-3 person rides, all kinds of stuff. But that's kind of where it started. It started with just me documenting the ride. There was probably no talking at all in it, or very little. And then every once in a while I'll make another vlog that, you know, I'm talking to a group of people or something like that. But, you know, this thing has changed a lot in the last 3 years. So I started this in 2009, and in the last 3 years, well, actually, last 5 years, it's changed probably a good bit. I started telling stories. I started telling the story of me changing my life, selling my house and all, giving away all my crap, and moving into a bus and doing an adventure in a school bus with a motorcycle in the back. So that was the big dramatic change at that point. Before that, it was just me documenting rides with a little bit of music played over it. That's probably, I would say before 5 years ago, that was 95% of everything I produced on YouTube was me riding a motorcycle or me doing something funny around a motorcycle or, you know, anything. So there was 90% of the stuff I put out there was either funny stuff, me doing stuff on a motorcycle, or a motorcycle ride. And that was about it. And all that changed in 2005 when I changed my life. And I started doing more bloggy stuff, but I've always hated that term blog because I think motorcycle blog is exactly this: some dude on a motorcycle riding around talking about nonsense, but he's on a motorcycle so people watch it. I've never really understood it. I'm starting to kind of come to terms with it because people watch this stuff, people consume this stuff, people yeah, I don't want to say. I'm trying to think of. I had one pretty successful blog, but it was, you know, I was talking about another vlogger, a very popular vlogger that does Harley type based adventures in Australia, and I got some traction on that, probably because I mentioned his name in the video and the title and the description and of course the tag. So I got a little bit of traction with that, but otherwise my vlogs don't do any better than anything else. Most of the response has been either, you know, neutral. That's what I would call it, neutral response. Nobody's going, oh yeah, this is the greatest thing ever. You should always talk when you're riding a motorcycle. I think most people that know me would say, you should talk 5 minutes and shut the hell up. Or make your point and shut the hell up, because I do tend to repeat myself a lot. But you know, I think the last time I checked, our president does the same thing. He repeats himself a lot. We both come from a sales background, so maybe that's got a little bit to do with it. Emphasize the points that you want to make. And, you know, it sounds repetitive, but, you know, that's basically what you're doing. You're repeating yourself to make sure that whoever you're talking to has heard the phrase that you want them to hear 3 or 4 times. So I guess this is going to be my introduction to this topic, which is motorcycle vlogs. I still, to this day, I don't watch a lot of people that are riding around talking on a camera. That's what I think of as vlogs. I think of anybody that, you know, sticks a camera on their side of the helmet and puts a microphone in their face, like I have right now, is making a vlog. Any other thing than that, I may or may not consider a vlog. I would consider it, you know, a motorcycle video, like an instructional. You watch these guys that do instruction, you know, the how to ride better. Is that a vlog? Is that what we call vlogs now? Because I can't imagine that somebody that has something important to say is making a vlog. If you're making what I'm making right now, I'm in the middle. Well, I think, yeah, I'm pretty close to the middle. I'm in the middle of editing videos that are basically mini documentaries of my travels recently. And I don't think I put the microphone in the helmet one time the whole time I was out there. I may be mistaken. I may have done it, just don't remember recording it, and I never used it, probably because it was bad wind noise like this is probably going to be. But I would say almost all of what I do still is not a vlog. I wouldn't consider it a vlog. This is the exception. I would call this a vlog because I'm talking to the camera and I'm kind of stream of consciousness. It's not well thought out. I'm not teaching you something. I'm just bringing up an idea while I'm riding a motorcycle. I want to know, number one, how many people watch real vlogs like I'm doing now? So, how many people watch more than one person that is doing exactly what I'm doing now? Because I've had a lot of people come in and say, vlog, your vlog, I like your vlog, I watch your vlog. And I'm always thinking, I don't think you watch the rest of my stuff. Or, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they've got a different definition of vlog than I do. Because this is a vlog. What I'm doing right now is a vlog. You know, documenting my journey, I don't think that's a vlog. Well, I guess you could say travel log, because that's what I'm doing. I want everybody to see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm demonstrating. I'm demonstrating how I do it, what I saw, what I did, what I discovered. I don't know a single vlogger that does that. In my opinion, what a vlogger is, it's somebody who's doing exactly what I'm doing right here, vlogging. I'm talking to a camera. It's not well produced, other than the microphone setup and maybe a nice camera mount that's steady and whatever. Like this camera is not steady at all. So this is not high production value, but it's the other camera that I had that's pretty good. And it stays out of the way most of the time. So the question is, how many of you watch more than one? How many of you watch more than one vlogger, traditional vlogger, somebody that's talking to the camera, not really doing anything else? And I guess you don't have to be riding if you're talking to the camera. If you're talking to the camera in front of other motorcycles and talking about motorcycles, I guess you could be considered a vlogger or a vlogger or whatever you want to call it. But how many of you watch more than one of those more traditional type vloggers? And what's your number? You know, yes, I watch 15. Or yes, that's all I watch is motorcycle vlogs. Because it's hard for me to believe y'all are not into something else other than motorcycles. And that may have been the downfall of this channel, is I'm into so many other things. I put all that crap on here. You know, what the hell does a school bus living in a schoolie have to do with motorcycles? I don't know. Diversify your audience, I guess. But if now all I'm doing is motorcycles, what does that do to my schoolie audience and vice versa? you know, how many people said, screw this, I came for the motorcycles and all he talks about now is schooling. Well, I think all I've been talking about for the last month is camping. So motorcycle camping. If you're not into that, yeah. Well, today I'm motorcycle vlogging. I'm a moto-vlogger today. So tell me what your definition of a vlog is, a moto-vlog, or a vlog in general. If y'all want to define it, let me know what your definition is. I'm really interested in the people that are watching this. What do you define a vlog? And how many do you watch other than this one? And are there any really good ones that I don't know about? Because I'm much more interested in seeing the stuff that's really good, and maybe there's something that I should be doing like the other guys are. Maybe there's some kind of element that I'm missing that other guys are doing, and they're doing really well, and maybe I should model my efforts a little bit better towards those outstanding vloggers. So let me know in the comments what you think I should be doing. If there's something out there, just point me to the channel. Point me to the guy that you like. Point me to the guy that you enjoy watching, and tell me why you watch him. And hell, if there's 2 or 3, link those below, or give me their YouTube username. Like mine is MotoGiant. And man, I tell you what would help me probably the most is that everybody that enjoys watching my crap, this crap right here that you're watching, the thing that would help me most is that you guys maybe went to my channel page, clicked on MotoGiant on this video, went to my channel page, and sent that link to your friends. Post it on Facebook, post it on Twitter, post it on, you know, your social media, and say if y'all are into motorcycles and you like this, and it's probably this week if you want to see people moto camping, which that's the purpose of this vlog today, was to talk about motorcycle camping and why nobody understands their options other than going to a campground. People don't understand that you can do something different, and that's what I'm going to talk about on the way back, hopefully.